Hello and welcome to Affinity Vibes YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove the white background from a logo. To know the complete process, please watch this video till the end. Before we begin, if you want to be alerted whenever I release a new Affinity Photo effect tutorial, click the subscribe button, and let's get started. First, select your logo. Now, there is nothing wrong if your logo has a white background. However, if you place this logo in your work, project, or any other brand identity, it won't professionally look good if you have a white background. Now, if we select the Affinity Photo Flood Select tool and click on the background, invert pixel selection and add a mask. Initially, it will look like the white background is gone, but wait, if we put a different background, then we can see the harsh left and not the proper white background removed. This is not the right way either. So to remove the white background from a logo, here are the steps. Select your logo. Go to Channels. Select the composite blue channel. Now the blue channel is activated, and red and green are hidden. Go to Adjustment. Levels. Increase black levels and make the entire logo and text completely black. Now reduce the white levels until it looks negative, or its background becomes dark and the logo becomes white. In short, always keep black levels slightly higher than white levels. For example, if black levels have 50%, make white levels 45%. Here I am using black levels have 85% and white levels 80%. Now go to the blue channel, right-click, and add to the pixels selection. This will select the entire white portion of the logo and text. Now hide levels layer. And add mask. Still looking like this because the red and green channels are still hidden and only the blue channel is activated. Now click below the right side this bend arrow as refresh. And done. Now main part is always exporting your logo in PNG format, because only this format maintains transparency. Export it. Now, I will suggest that you always make your logo in 3 different colors. If your logo is colorful, then keep it in colorful PNG format. Another in white and black, because sometimes when you place your logo in a photo or video, some videos or photo resolutions and areas are not suitable for colorful logos. I will show you why. To make your logo in both white and black, go to FX. Click Color Overlay. And here change the color to black or white. And always export it in PNG format to keep it transparent. Now here are a few samples. This image's background is white, so a color logo or a dark logo will both work here.
Another sample now has a different background and some different colors.
Now if you place your color logo, it won't look good or pop up. So use the white logo here. Final sample, here you can use any of your logos. Both color and black logos on the white area. And the white logo on the green color area. So you need to understand your image background and use any logo that is suitable according to the background you are using. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification to receive updates on my brand new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.